Hey, what's up fellas, that's Mechanic Mode, and today I will show you how to remove and to replace the NOx sensor on a 2009 Chrysler Town&Country. So mostly you don't need a lot of skills here, you need some time, patience, and now we're gonna start removing the battery and then the intake and then the intake manifold. You guys enjoyed the video and let's get the job done.
So I'll replace the gaskets. And this one is bad too as well. Yeah, they are pretty bad. I'm gonna clean up. I'm gonna clean up everything here. I'm gonna replace the NOx sensor right here. That's the reason that I took out the intake to replace the NOx sensor, where at the same time I found another problem. So I ordered the gaskets already. So I'll replace both gaskets here. And also I'm gonna replace this gasket. Just in case. Once I'm here, I'll replace this gasket too.
Okay guys, so now I got all the parts that I need for the car. So I got this OEM part, a brand new NOx sensor from mopar dealer, and I'll put back everything back together, everything, and then I will start the car to see, what we got.
Okay guys, I got everything back together. So I replaced the knock sensor, a circuit one. I replaced the intake gasket, all three, and I put everything back together. So now it should work. Got the battery back. Okay, let's try to see if it works. Alright, it works good. There is no check engine light, so that means we did our job very well. I'm done here. The car is working very well. All good. So I replaced 3 gaskets and the knock sensor. If this video helps you guys, then don't forget to put thumbs up. If you're first time on my channel, then give my channel subscribe. And see you next time. Bye.